Good morning, friends. Today we're going to get chicks, but before we get started, give a like, subscribe, smash that bell, and give us a comment down below. Let's get started. Watch till the end. We're going to show our little kittens down in the barn from our seating.
You've seen RC in some previous videos, and she had 3 little baby kittens, huh?
Yep.
What color are they?
Black, orange stripe, and an orange and white one. Well,
friends, everything's starting to happen here on the farm. Even though we do have snow this morning, this is unlikely for us. It's the 21st of April. Everything's just kind of set back and winter won't let up. Things are happening. I have a box on here yesterday. I was in New York State. I was picking up a couple dairy goats, and we'll be showing those. Em's going to be doing a milking video for you. We're going to get our baby chicks. Em and I, for the last couple of years, we've got what they call a mystery box. And what it is, we get a box of chicks. We don't know what they are. They can be chickens, they can be bantams, waterfowl, turkeys, whatever, pheasants, guineas. And then what we'll do with those chicks is raise them out, and then in the fall, after they get ready to start laying, we'll sell the pullets and the roosters and keep the neat looking chickens, huh? Mm-hmm. Probably have some Polish in there. They're pretty cool. Well, hop in there, Em. Let's get going. We got to get these babies here and get them in the brooder. A little cool here today. Let's see what the truck says, see what temperature it is. It's 23 degrees, which is really cold for this time of year. Folks should be getting ready to start planting corn here in another 7 or 8 days, and it doesn't look like that the soils are going to be warm enough that you can plant corn. I gotta wait until I get off this bumpy driveway. I can't talk.
Dad, do I get the chicks on my lap?
After I disinfect them. Yeah. Put my seatbelt on so it quits yelling at us.
That's another mistake.
Well, friends, we're headed to Tynesta today to pick up our chicks, and usually we intercept them at the distribution center in Oil City, but for some reason Oil City didn't call us. They just shipped them on to Tynesta. We'll go get our chicks, and we'll be right back. As soon as we get home, we're going to put them in the brooder and take a look and count and see what all we got. Hey friends, we got our babies. Hear them chirping. Unfortunately, with this coronavirus, I'm going to have to disinfect the box. I typically wouldn't do this, you know, with the risk of harming the babies, but you can't be too safe. I know a lot of people are downplaying this coronavirus, but you can't be too safe. Back in the truck here, and we'll get them warmed up and we'll head home. Em's dying to get these on her lap, but I won't let her have them for at least 10 minutes. We just sprayed Lysol on the box. In the state of Pennsylvania, we're required to wear masks. I'll just leave them right here, Em. You can't touch them for 10 minutes, okay?
Okay.
What's in there, Em?
Well, there's yellow chicks, well, there's a black chick in here. It kind of looks like just a regular chick. I haven't seen if there's any Polish yet.
Everybody's still alive in that section?
Yep. Everything's still alive in that section. There's wild color. There's also white, gray, and black spotted ones.
Oh, what kind are they?
I don't know.
This here's what makes this fun, is we're able to, as the chicks mature and get their adult feathers, we're able to identify them. I've probably had all these chicken breeds through the past years. At one time when the Marins and the Barnvelters and the Welsumers first came into the country, I had an opportunity and I bought 20 birds. Paid $25 a piece for those birds. Everybody thought I was nuts. That's about 20 years ago or so, paying $25 for a bird. Well, come to play out, we sold chicken eggs to 42 states. They're hatching eggs, and we were getting upwards to $130 a dozen for those eggs. And we made a ton of money off those birds. I was making pretty close to $600 a month with 20 birds, which is, you know, even today, 20 years later, $600 a month with 20 chickens is just phenomenal. Those days are over. The Welsumers and the Barnvelters and the Marins are pretty prevalent these days. Now there is some other birds that are fetching high money for high prices. I thought about getting back into that market, but Em and I, we just have fun with our mystery pack, and we usually lose a few. And I guess with the reports that I've seen online, it's unfortunate, but with the way the coronavirus is and the way the post offices and stuff are working, the chicks are being handled a little rougher than they normally would be. So there is a chance for some death loss. Ducks? Oh, a duck, okay.
At least a duck.
At least one duck. Okay. Alright friends, we'll see you back at the brooder house.
I don't know, they could also be sleeping.
If you watch to the end of the video, we're going to show you a sneak peek of our new dairy goats.
And our kittens.
And I guess our old dairy goat, we've had a dairy goat now for about a month, and she seemed to be lonely, so we got her a friend. She's a real heavy milker, and I just didn't want to throw her off because she's such a good goat. And we have another one. She's so fat, she looks like she's gonna have triplets. So we'll show those and
Dad.
show the chick. Woohoo, friends! We're pretty well back. I see the collie dogs are out. So I wonder if Walker's out with us too. I don't know.
It could be.
Yep, they're in the barn. Mama and Walker's in the barn doing chores already. It's only 7:30.
Don't put them in without me. Hi, Scout. Scout.
Come on, Scout.
Lively in there.
Before we do this, let's go get a lid.
Why?
Because I want to put feed on top of it in there. Before we do this, let's go get a lid. I forgot to put a piece of plastic or a plastic lid down last night to put grain on for the babies. Here's two of our goats. What's the white one's name? Esther. That's Esther. She looks like she's gonna have triplets. She's a Saanen doe. And then this here's our new billy goat. He's a Toggenburg. His mom was really good doe. She was milking 14 pounds.
Did you watch?
She looks like she's got some milk in her, huh, bud?
I mean, to be quite honest, these are really hard to milk.
Little sneak peek, Walker milking the goat. He's gonna be a while. She's full of milk. She's still got a lot of pressure in there.
And those things are super hard.
Dad, I thought we were trying to find a plastic lid.
Okay, we got baby chicks to take care of. That was a sneak peek. Walker, he's not too excited about milking that goat this morning because she's got a lot more in her than Penelope does. I didn't show her. We'll show her in another video. She's one that we got off an Amish fella, and he said she was a good doe, but I can't, it doesn't prove it by me. We can't even get a quarter milk out of her a day. Let's get the babies. You're gonna count yours and I'll count mine. Okay, so we know how many we got. One of the things that we always do is we dip their bills in water.
And put them in seed. Not me to take my coat off too?
Yeah, you can leave your coat on if you want. Okay, here it goes, everybody. Hopefully, we got some chirping, but I have a feeling we got a dead one or two. Okay.
Take it off.
Here they are, guys. Actually, I don't know if there is any dead ones in there. You got 2 ducks. Here's a duck here.
Here's the duck here.
Okay.
We've got one more duck in here. I know there's one more duck in here because I seen a black-billed one.
Okay, we dip their bills in water.
Okay. Do you want me to dip them in feed too?
No, just put the feed. Okay. Count your baby chicks as you dip them, okay? There's a Polish. This is a golden lace Polish. Dip him. He's a bearded golden lace Polish. Here's a white Polish. Bearded. Oh no. I don't know what he is. He's got feathers on his feet. How many you got, Em? I got 4.
I got 3.
Okay. There's a black and white one.
There's a fluffy one. Why is there a fluffy one in here?
6. Here's a silver lace Polish. 7. This is a white crested black Polish. There's 6. Oh, here's a cochin. This is a cochin.
See what I'm saying?
Okay.
Dad, what do you think this one is?
I don't know. 11. There's another cochin.
You got coaching.
12. Here's another cochin. 13. This here I'd say is an Easter egger. Emmy screwed up big time. She thought she had a chicken, and here's a baby turkey! We got a turkey! Woohoo! Let's dip him again. Here's another turkey!
That actually looks like a guinea.
How many did you have, Em?
18.
18. I had 31, so we got 49 chicks, 2 turkeys, and 2 ducks. Cool!
I'm wondering about this one. What do you think this is?
I don't know. We'll find out, huh?
Where's these ducks?
It's a little cooler in here this morning than what I wanted it to be, so we're gonna hang another light. Oh, almost crunched one.
Dad!
Okay, these lights, instead of tying a string right here, I always recommend putting a short piece of wire on there so it doesn't cause a fire hazard.
I like both the ducks. Dad, do you like the turkey or the duck?
I like the turkeys.
I like the ducks. We got some cool ones in here.
Go help Walker finish up milking the goat. He's struggling over there a little bit with that.
We've got at least 2 coaches. I'll check them morning and night, Dad. You got it?
Got it.
I really like this gray one too here. I also really like this gray one. It's also a gray coaching.
Come on. Tell the friends what you really mean is you like them all.
I really do like them all.
Emmy's been dying to show you these baby kittens all day long.
Here they are. Here are the baby kittens. They're about half a day old. There's a tiger one that looks like a tiger. Woo, it's got straight back legs.
Out now.
One of them, it looks like a tiger kitten. A black one that looks like a panther kitty. And
A scratcher kitten.
orange
And over here's Mama.
kitten. There's RC.
Hey guys, this is RC. I don't know if you remember seeing her in previous videos. She has a litter of kittens for us every year. She's a very, very good mom, very good mouser. And these here are her babies. You better go put them back so she doesn't get all upset, okay, honey?
All right.
Hey friends, hopefully you enjoyed the video. I know we sure are excited. We got 2 ducks, 2 turkeys.
2 turkeys and at least a few cochins.
How many chickens do we get? 49.
49.
All alive. They seem to be doing pretty well. They're a little cool, but they'll get
I like this one.
they'll get warmed up here and be just fine. There's a turkey.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell and like and comment. So long.
See you friends. Have a good one. See you next week.